Reporting defined. Reporting provides a form of insight into how well the organization is doing in executing the strategy. What are the report deliverables? Goal details, KPI and target details, initiative detail inclusive of budget and progress usually, and then performance and gap analysis of each KPI, especially for the reds and yellows. Recommendations for action and catch up. Visual overview in a form of strategy map is also recommended. This is what we talked about early on, the nice mix, where you have the graph, the tables, the textual, also bullet points, and then maybe on a side something related to recommendations and so forth. To keep it live, to keep it interesting. We already talked about the balance scorecard and how it could also be a reporting tool. As you can see here, this is the whole picture, inclusive of the targets and the actual, and also the status and the color for each KPI in a certain period. Also, the scores for every perspective and the score overall. So sometime, if it's small organization, it's doable to present the balance scorecard just like that. Passepartout or one-stop shop where you have everything on one page and people track everything just like that on Excel sheet. Later on, for the review meeting, we need something like this, a sample executive report where all the divisions are presented in a spider graph, in addition to all the KPIs related to the division. Later on, also the program are presented based on plan and actuals. And within every program, we need to know how well all the projects are doing. So this is a full picture of all the KPIs and all the program projects within the same corporation. Also dashboard, which we already covered this dashboard as a sample before, but I like using it because it is a very straightforward. The line is the target and the actual are the blue bars. Also on top of every graph there is yellow and there is red and black. Black means was not reported, should have been reported, but it was not reported. This is another sample of an objective report related to one objective only. Throughout also the time, how well this objective is moving. This is the target and this is the actual, and this is also comparing the results of a retail versus a business results. This is the analysis of the graph and this is the recommendation. I like the structure because it really helps to focus the eye. First, graphically you can tell with the help of the table sometime, and later on the analysis and the recommendation in the same page. That's another sample for KPI report. Also graphs and target with the data at the bottom. The target is here if it's stable for the whole year. And also comments like issues and implication, actions, accountability, and initiative related to this KPI. Also, this is a sample of an initiative report. And here we're talking about the project description or the initiative description, the start and finish and status of every milestone within the same project, who's responsible, start date, end date of this project, and then comment analysis of what's happening. Of course, with the project description as well.